All right, hey, quick update. So this is the automated weed burner unit. I have it just filled with water right now. My first attempt did not go well, and these cheap Chinese gas tanks have very cheap Chinese rubber inside. So there goes that gasket or breather or whatever the heck you want to call it. Anyway, my first nozzle did not work out at all. It was way too big. So this section here, this is nearly a 1/2 inch diameter, and the air gun extension that I had was way too large. So this is reducing it down to, I don't know, approximately a 1/4 inch. And I couldn't really find very many items that would connect a 1/2 inch, what is this, like a 1/2 inch 20 NPT, reducing it down to something like a 1/4 inch male end. So this is what I found around the shop. I'm hopefully gonna find something better than this, but yeah, very odd. Can't find those fittings very much. But anyway, so here is the test run, just so you guys see what kind of volume I'm getting here. So we turn it on. Here's the start button, and so that's really only going like 5 or 6 feet at the most. So that's not going to be nearly enough of a spray. I'm going to have to reduce this down a bit more, even if I angle this thing upward a bit. Yeah, if I angle it upward, that definitely helps somewhat. But anyway, that's the progress so far. I'm not very happy with this. I'm very frustrated that I can't reduce this down. If you have any suggestions, let me know, because I have to have a hose fitting here, and I can't find anything with a barbed fitting that will go from this fuel line down to something tiny like a small air gun outlet. Anyway, that's the update for now. See ya.